Okay, let's look at this question. It should be a simple question, but it bothers so many people. So what's been given? We're given this function, and we are asked to find the difference quotient. So this guy has a name called the difference quotient. You see, first the numerator is difference between two things, then it's a division. So that's why it gets named difference quotient. So the function is given as a rational function. So what do? We do step by step. Okay. So first we want to find f of x plus h, right? The function is given as 1 over the input. So now when the input is x plus h, so the output is 1 over the input, which is x plus h. Then we do the difference. The difference between f of x plus h minus f of x. So I think the trouble comes from here. So of course, this is 1 over x plus h. This is a 1 over x. So we subtract those two. So what do? We need a common denominators. So the common denominator is x times x plus h. So the first expression, we want to multiply 1, and this one is x over x. So 1 times x is x. The numerator will get x. The denominator will get x times x plus h. And the second term, we need to multiply by 1, and this one is x plus h divides itself. So the denominator becomes x times x plus h, and the numerator becomes x plus h. So of course, it's a difference of subtraction. So x minus x, that's a 0. And negative minus h, so we have negative h in the numerator. And the common denominator is x times x plus h. Now, so we finish the difference. Now we do the quotient part. Quotient part means we need to divide the difference by h. So we divide the difference by h. Then we have 3 layers. So whenever we have 3 layers of fractions, we just multiply the bottom 2. That's a shortcut. So multiply by the bottom 2, get the denominator x times x plus h times h. Then we have numerator h as a factor as well. So we have a common factor h in the numerator and in the denominator that cancel to be 1, right? H divides h, that's just 1. So the numerator we're left with a negative 1. The denominator is the common denominator. Usually the negative sign, we don't want to leave in the numerator or in the denominator. We want to put up front. And that's it. That's our final answer. So the difference quotient is a negative 1 over x times x plus h.